Do you want heads to turn the moment you walk into a room, or for that special someone to notice you? It's not magic, it's pure psychology. From FBI agents to great leaders, everyone uses these techniques. Research shows you have only 90 seconds to impress someone. You have to turn the game around within that time. Most people make a mistake. They try to prove they are perfect, but psychology says the way to be liked is the exact opposite. Did you know that asking someone for a small favor makes them like you more than if you did them a favor? This is called the Ben Franklin effect. The founding father of America used this trick to turn an enemy into a friend. There is a specific rule for eye contact. Too little, you're weak. Too much, you're creepy. What is the right balance? People like those who are like them. This is called mirroring, but you have to be careful or you'll get caught. Don't try to be flawless. Sometimes making a mistake or spilling coffee makes you more attractive. Don't believe it? Today, we will reveal 7 proven psychological tricks that will change your social life. Let's open the vault. Trick 1. The Ben Franklin effect. To make someone like you, don't do them a favor. Ask them for a small one. Our brains hate confusion. When we help someone, the brain convinces itself, I must like this person. That's why I help them. But be careful. The favor must be very small, like, can I borrow your pen? Or, how did you like the book? Don't ask to borrow money. Trick 2. The Pratfall Effect. People don't like robots. People like humans, and humans make mistakes. Jennifer Lawrence fell on the stairs accepting her Oscar. It didn't make her a laughingstock. It made her more popular because she felt relatable. But there is a condition. You must first prove you're competent. If a competent person blunders, it's charming. If an incompetent person blunders, it's just foolish. Trick 3. As Dale Carnegie famously said, a person's name is to that person the sweetest sound in any language. Use their name strategically in conversation. It subconsciously makes them feel that you value them. Trick 4. Mirroring, or the chameleon effect. Copy the body language of the person you're talking to. If they smile, you smile. Our subconscious thinks they are acting like me, so they are part of my tribe. They are safe. This builds trust. But don't mimic like a monkey. It must be subtle. Move a few seconds after they do, not instantly. Trick 5. Let people talk about themselves. Humans love talking about themselves the most. Follow the 80-20 rule. Let them talk 80% of the time. You just ask questions for 20%. They will think you are a great conversationalist. Trick 6. Open body language. Don't cross your arms. Showing your palms means, I have no weapons, I am a friend. When talking, turn your whole body towards them, not just your head. This is called the torso turn. It shows full attention. Trick 7. Scarcity. People don't value what is easily available. Don't be available all the time. Be busy with your life and passions. When you value your own time, others will value it too. Bonus tip. The touch. A light, barely noticeable touch on the arm or shoulder during a laugh releases oxytocin, the trust hormone. Reduce negativity or complaining. People remember those who make them feel good. In summary, 1. Ask a favor. 2. Make mistakes. 3. Use names. 4. Mirror. 5. Listen. 6. Be open. 7. Be scarce. Use the triangle gaze for eye contact. Look at one eye, then the other, then the mouth. It's friendly and less intimidating. The Ben Franklin effect works because it's an investment. We love what we put effort into. Mirror not just the body, but the tone and speed of voice. If they speak fast, you speak a bit faster too. Silence isn't listening. Ask small questions like, really? Or, then what happened? To show you're engaged. A smile must be real. Real smiles crinkle the eyes, not just the mouth. This is called a Duchenne smile. Fake smiles are easily spotted. Do a power pose for 2 minutes before meeting. It boosts confidence hormones and reduces nervousness. A handshake must be firm and dry. A limp, dead fish or a bone-crushing grip are both signs of poor personality. Color psychology says red symbolizes attraction and power. Wear red or a touch of red on dates or important meetings. Scent is directly linked to memory. Use a good, unique perfume that becomes your signature. If you struggle to remember names, visualize the name written on their forehead when you meet them. Never complain about your problems on the first meeting. People don't like energy vampires. Put your phone face down on the table or in your pocket. It says, you are more important than my phone. Sometimes showing weakness is a sign of courage. It creates deep connections. This is called vulnerability. People judge warmth first, then competence. Make friends first, show skills later. Remember, how you treat waiters or subordinates is your true character. Everyone notices this. The end is as important as the start. Leave with a nice word or smile. People remember the last moment the most. The core of all these tricks is awareness, not faking it. Your authenticity is your greatest power. Want to be a social master? Stay with BrainVas. Which trick did you like the most? Let us know in the comments and share with friends. Maya Angelou said, "People will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel." Thanks for watching.